So do you also want to send bulk WhatsApp messages to your contact list and want to learn this under 3 minutes? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply send bulk WhatsApp messages to your contacts. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Then you just have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open the dashboard. And from here, you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have already added right over here. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out the description box below. There we have attached the video for the same. Now from the left hand of the side, you have to come on this broadcast section because sending bulk WhatsApp messages can be done from this section only, and then click on this add broadcast button. Now select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign and name your broadcast. I'm just going to name this as new offer, and then I'm just going to move on further right over here. For the audience over here, you have two options. You can upload a CSV file directly right over here too. You can go on this upload CSV file and upload it. The second option is you can choose an existing contact list. For that, you have to create a contact list on this contact section. If you want to learn more about this, just go check the description. There we have video on the contact section also. Now you once create the contact list, you just have to choose the contact list to whom you want to send this message. So you can select multiple contact lists to or a single. It totally depends upon you. And if you want to exclude some contact lists, you can select the same right over here. If you want to exclude some specific contacts, you can also select that right over here. Apart from that, if you want to exclude the contacts in active 24-hour conversation window, then you can simply switch on this toggle button. Now it is asking me for the message type. So you have two options, a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, you have to go on this template section, and from here you have to create a template, wait till Meta approves that template, and then only you can move on further and select that template. If you want to learn about this, you know that you have to check this description box below. Okay, and if you go for a regular message, you just have to choose the message type and enter the message like I am going to do right now. So as you can see, this is my message. So I'm just going to simply enter this message of the festive offer. Over here in the message, if you want to bold some text, you can simply add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. Once you do this, you are good to go. It is asking for the contact name and the mobile number. So what is this? So before sending this WhatsApp message to thousands of people at once, you can test it yourself. What you can do is you can simply enter your own WhatsApp mobile number and your own name to send this WhatsApp message to yourself first. Click on this send test message and it is going to say test broadcast sent. Open your WhatsApp and you can see the WhatsApp messages delivered to you. It looks perfectly fine, so you're good to go. Now over here, in order to send this broadcast, you have two options. You can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if you wish to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later, choose the date and time right over here. If you want to send instantly, you can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and then it will be sent instantly. And further, this is automatically retry for failed contacts. So what is this? So let's say you selected a contact list of 100 contacts. To 90 the message is sent, but to 10 the message was not sent. So you're not going to create another broadcast for those 10 people. What you have to do is you just have to switch on this button, and over here you can select the number of retries and the weight between the retries, and you're good to go. And then click on this add button and your broadcast will be scheduled or sent instantly. I will just show you how. As you can see, this broadcast is live right now because I selected send instantly, and now once this broadcast is sent, I can view the stats of the broadcast to how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Like this, you have learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages under 3 minutes to any contact list. Go and try this right now, and right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Then if you like it, you can use my amazing discount coupon code RITYT to purchase the subscription plan. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.